Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna talk about the scream. Let's start immediately with Blender. Alright, right now in Blender, I reuse the same character I used for the Cataclysm. This woman here, name is Megara. And I just move her to a new pose. The current rendering looks approximately like that, with this man on the first foreground and two tiny dinosaurs just to set up the distance. So that's pretty basic. We're gonna just jump right in Photoshop. All right, so in Photoshop, that's the basic rendering I got from Blender. I use a tool to just cut the environment and everything just to keep my character right there. And I start by painting a little bit more details. You can see, for instance, the folds here start to be more precise. Also the hair, trying to give it more details. After that, I use a bit of Liquify as here just to move the face and the teeth that I did not like from the 3D rendering. And then that's the same story, right? I am adding details on top of details on top of details with a bit of blood right here on her t-shirt, more refinement on the hairs, a bit of overlay to just darken some side of her face, and a bit more blood. And with that, I also painted the sky, the trees, the grass right there. I have added a bit of blue color to distantiate the background. I also apply Gaussian blur on the black background just to move it away from the main character. I also added some leaves on the first ground and a lot of special effects like darkening places, changing color, applying screen glow effect, a color dodge on some part of the hair. Also this lens flare right there. I also have this habit to have a layer on top of everything where I mark what needs to be fixed before the final image. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.